Hello, welcome back to some Illustrator. We're going to draw a hexagon there. We don't even need to draw it. We're just going to change the shape there to that. We're going to deselect it. Now we're going to go to the line segment tool. We're going to go to the anchor point, and we're going to drag it over to this anchor point if we can find it. There we go. And then we're going to go for the pen tool, and we're going to wait till you can see the intersect point. Okay. I'm going to go for the direct selection tool now. We're going to drag that anchor point down till we get the intersect there. Then we're going to go back to the selection tool and we're going to go for object and we're going to go path, divide objects below. So that creates two different objects. Okay, we're going to deselect, go back to the pen tool, click on that anchor point, drag it up to this anchor point. And again, we're going to go for object, path, divide objects below. And that is actually a way to get a cube with 3 unique faces. So you can make these faces all different colors. So you can make that one blue. You can make this one grey, and then we can do say a darker color, right? And then we can select the whole thing, and we can do object. And this is kind of cool what you can do here. So this is the pattern editing menu, right? So this is what the pattern currently looks like. I can even make it a bit smaller than that. And what we can do is you brick by column. And I'm trying to remember what these good values were. 3 by 2. And yeah, and you can do that. That's like a really, the tile, I'm going to do a bit more, we'll do some more pattern stuff in a minute, but let's just take a look at this one first. And you can just press down on, so we can take a look at how that pattern might look now. So let's draw a shape with the fill of that pattern. Just do an ellipse for now. It's just a big circle. So yeah, it's a pretty good pattern. There's no way around it, and it's such a simple thing to do as well.